Hi, good afternoon. My name is Anupam Gambhir. I am from Estate Experts. We're standing inside Sun City. This location is connected to the main golf course road. This location is also connected towards the different sectors around the vicinity that we are at. This specific location is a park facing location, and the plot size that I am at is of 276 square yards, which is a 4-bedroom hall kitchen. That's the configuration of the house. Let's get started. जहाँ मैं खड़ा हूँ अभी, इसको आप डाइनिंग स्पेस कंसिडर कर सकते हैं। पूरा का पूरा डाइनिंग स्पेस है। आपकी डाइनिंग स्पेस के अंदर आपकी जो फ्लोरिंग है, दिस इज़ ऑल इटालियन मार्बल, इटालियन वर्क. This is all natural Italian stone which is placed here on the surface. This is a beautiful, huge glass mirror for your representation for yourself, so that you can see before you exit and once you move inside your house in the morning and evening hours. This design of a false ceiling is like a river. जैसे पानी की लहरें होती हैं, वैसे ये डिज़ाइन दिया हुआ, इतना खूबसूरत। इसमें वाइट कलर की सारी LEDs लगी है अंदर तक, पूरी ब्यूटीफुल LEDs. Above me you will see a Crompton का fan. This space is for your television, where you can place your television LEDs. केबल टीवी का डिश वायर दिया हुआ है, आपको इंस्टॉल नहीं कराना. Just need to call the chap and he'll install on the terrace. This is a small shaft window which is given. Let's not open this because there is nothing for you to see. This is a small MDF empanelment. This will bifurcate the dining area from the formal living space. This is your formal living space. A small formal living space, but at least competent enough and compact enough to accommodate around 6, 7, 10 people. Again, on the surface, this is Italian flooring. You've got the Daikin air conditioner towards this way in the formal living space, and the formal dining space there as well. Ceiling design is again beautiful. It's like a river. ये भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. This is also connected with the balcony in the front. This is a fixed glass window which has a slider. This is the balcony of this specific 276 square yards property. HPL sheets on the roof. Right side you'll see the tiling work done. On the surface you'll see all laminated tiling work done. Again HPL sheets. These are some beautiful lights, focus lights in the evening hours. This is all MS. स्टील का रेलिंग है पूरा का पूरा, और टफन ग्लासेस है. नीचे में पूरा ग्रेनाइट टॉप दिया हुआ है आपका. एयर कंडीशनर के सिस्टम्स जो हैं सारे बहुत तहजीब से लगाए हुए हैं फ्रेम के अंदर. इनफैक्ट ये बनवाया हुआ है, ये मिलता नहीं है बना बनाया. ऊपर में आपका LED लाइट्स भी लगाई हुई हैं जैगवार की. सराउंडिंग्स आप देखेंगे सामने, ये पार्क फेसिंग प्रॉपर्टी है. दिस इज द सराउंडिंग ऑफ दिस हाउस. अ ब्यूटिफुल ग्रीन serene lush environment. This is nature. This is what we die for. This is what we live for. This is what we need in today's date. So this is an amazing formal living space. Let's get towards the first bedroom of the house. Before we get inside the first bedroom, this is the powder room. This powder room is basically, this has a shower area out here. This is the rain head by QO. Again, the sanitary fittings are by QO. This wall mount seat is also by QO. This is your glass mirror. Esco का आपका गीजर है. Crompton का fan है. You've got the ventilation shaft. This is again vanity by QO. A granite top which has a cabinetry down there. This is also a storage space. This is also a storage space that you will get. इसमें glass partition नहीं दिया हुआ, ये basically पर्दा लगाया हुआ है इधर. This is enough. This is the first bedroom of the house. Square shaped ceiling, Italian on the surface. A Daikin air conditioner opposite to me. Right wall stays empty, left stays empty, behind me stays empty. For your customization, this is also connected with the front balcony, which you'll be sharing in common. This is connected with the formal living space and the other bedroom. So in totality, you've got first, then formal living space, and then second bedroom connected towards this way. This also has a tap area. There is the drainage vessel. So 2 bedroom आपके इधर और एक formal living space इधर खुलता है. Let's get inside the hallway. This is your hallway area, and there I get inside to the second bedroom. This is Italian on the surface. You've got Daikin air conditioner. Probably left wall stays empty. Square shaped ceiling. Cable dish wire is a pre-installed. This is again a glass window UPVC slider. Same balcony. एक बार इधर से आके ऐसे दिखा दीजिए बस. Nothing has changed. So 2 bedrooms are in the front, 2 at the back, and 1 formal living space in the front. This is what you get shared with this balcony. This is the washroom space. ये ऐसे slider है आपका. ये इधर से है. You can shut this and you can close it. It's a cubicle slider. You've got a wall mount rain head. Above me you see a fan. Sanitary fittings by QO. This is by Venus. Geyser Venus का है. A beautiful vanity. This has a mirror and cabinet storage with a granite countertop. Surface पे आपका anti-skid tiles है. This is the dining section. इधर में आपका kitchen हो गया. Let's get inside the another bedroom. A huge size bedroom that I can see here, which has a wooden flooring. This wooden flooring has a warranty of around 10 years. Ceiling का design rectangular है. यहाँ पर में आपका television आपका install हो सकता है आराम से. Wire की जगह दी हुई है इसके. Balcony में अगर आप बात करेंगे, this is the back side of the house. Italian का पूरा border use करा है. This is the back side balcony. External आपका इधर लगाया हुआ है, एक इधर. इधर में 2 geysers है Venus के. ये आप लास्ट बेडरूम और इसके साथ वाला जो है यानी कि 3rd and 4th बेडरूम के साथ शेयर करते हैं. बैक बैल्कनी आपका पूरा बैक साइड का कैसा दिखता है ये दिखा दीजिए एक बारी. That's your wet area, that's your drainage vessel as well. This was the biggest room that I have ever seen in this house. This complete is your wardrobe section. This is your washroom attached. Granite top, natural stone. Vanity by QO, a mirror which has an LED illuminization. This is again a wall mounted commode seat. Above me you see a fan. Rain head above me. Wall mount. Left, right, everywhere on the wall. It's tiling work. Surface is anti-skid. Sanitary work is by QO. You've got a small cabinet storage here. You've got the Daikin air conditioner on the right hand side. This is the 4th bedroom of the house. Huge storage here towards my forefront. This is the Daikin air conditioner given to you. On the right wall, left wall stays empty. इधर में ऐसे bed लगा सकते हैं. सामने में आपका console आ गया. This is again a wooden flooring, warranty of 10 years. This is again the same balcony that we showed you before. Once and for all, we can show this once again for you. एक बारी दिखा दीजिए. इधर में 2 वेट एरिया के टैप्स दिए हुए हैं, एक उधर भी और एक इधर भी. 2 गीजर्स दिए हुए हैं, 2 एयर कंडीशनिंग सिस्टम दिए हुए हैं. ये मेटल का रेलिंग है आपका पूरा. सरफेस पे आपका टाइलिंग वर्क है. सीलिंग डिजाइन रेक्टेंगुलर है इसका. When you get inside to the washroom, on the surface and on the walls you will see tiling work, sanitary fittings by QO. You've got the ventilation shaft. This is a rain head, wall mount rain head by QO. On my right you'll see a beautiful glass illuminizing the lighting system which is installed within this. Granite top which is a natural stone, the cabinet space, and vanity by QO. This is the hallway. Now we'll enter inside the kitchen. This is the place where you can park your refrigerator this way. All over the wall you've got the tiling work done. Hob and chimney and hob by CAF. This is the warranty card. A crystal clear cabinet storage. This is your cabinets. This is again your cabinet to keep your multi-grains, pepper, salt, or maybe anything. This is for your cutlery. You've got a pocket window, you drag it like this. This is your shaft area for the ventilation. This is your sink, your utensils once you wash and you keep it here. That's your geyser. That's your automatic water level controller indicator. Once the water is full in the tanks, this is going to give you a buzz from here and you can make it off. On the surface, you'll see all tiling work done. A beautiful glass installed within the door, inbuilt. This is all LED lights. Above me you see Crompton fan. Ceiling is all simple. All cabinet space given. And natural stone on the countertop, stain free. This was all about the 276 square yards property which we have just shown you. I thank you so very much for watching us. Stay tuned for new videos every single day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to give us your thumbs up. Thank you. Have a pleasant evening. Bye-bye.